The coupon bundle is a feature designed to help customers save money on future purchases by providing them with a bundle of coupons. To qualify for the coupon bundle, a minimum purchase amount is typically required, which is calculated after any discounts are applied and excludes taxes and shipping fees. Once the qualifying purchase is made, a bundle of coupons is received, with varying values and terms. For example, a $100 coupon may be awarded after buying a certain number of items. However, these coupons often come with specific conditions, such as limited validity periods, often just 24 hours. Additionally, they may be divided, allowing a portion to be used on one purchase and another portion on a different purchase. It is essential to read the terms carefully to maximize the discount. The coupon bundle is a valuable tool for customers, and by understanding how it works, individuals can make the most of their discounts and save money on future purchases.